Hi everyone, my name is Mayank. I hope everybody is doing absolutely fine. So in this video, I am going to show you the easiest process to decide your Shopify store name, whether it is general or niche. So let's get started. Hi everyone, so now we are into my laptop. So first of all, you have to decide that you want to create a general store or niche store. General store is consist of all kind of products, all categories, but niche store is more on the focused side of one category only. Okay, so first of all we will see how to decide a name for general store, then we will go over like niche store. Okay, so first of all you want to open dictionary.com, then you want to open GoDaddy to check if we decide a name, is it available or not. Then you want to business name maker. Alright, so dictionary.com, scroll to the bottom, you will see a lot of letters. Okay, so just go inside any letter that you like, and there will be a lot of name. If any name is decided for anything on this planet is in the dictionary.com is available, so you can take a lot of and make a lot of combination out of this. So let's go, like ice run, ice road. And for basically the general store, we will have the approach of going broad, not niched. Okay, so like we can't use like fishing or fish, you see, because there is a niche factor inside that. But for the general store we will go broad. So ice fall is kind of okay, feather is also okay, so let's try fall. Okay, so I will type fall inside business name generator, and here you go, a lot of name and combinations. Deluxe fall, this is nice. Fallology, it's okay. You have to decide one, or you can use some other words also, like this khana, it's KHANA, khana. Okay, so let's try this, because you want to make your name and brand name a unique so that it can rank on Google when somebody types your name. Okay, so khana safari, khana q, you see, khana bubble. And also you have to keep that in mind that your name should be shorter, not super long. KER, Kur, so it can match with some other word and all. So Kur first, Kurrog. So you can you can use the name. Okay, like Steve. Okay, Steve. Also you can use names. Steve Hype, you see, stevehype.com, that sounds so nice. For the general store you can use that name, stevehype.com. let's see, is it available or not? Yeah, it's available. Amazing. So you see, this is so easy to find the general name, and I can show you the other Shopify stores with general niche stores that are doing really great, like Inspire Uplift, Zubzi, and Buy It Call. Yep. So you see, Inspire Uplift is also a generic name, and it doesn't relate with any niche, so that's nice. And this Steve Hype is also like whatever is trending and is hyped, you can find it on the store. This can go with that. Zubzi is also like very generic store, consists of all the products, like over 5,000 products. And Buy It Call, it's also, Call is a name, so Buy It Call, it's also a generic store that are doing great. So you see, this is so easy to find the general store name which are not also mistyped, because if you use mistyped name, then it will not rank on the Google and other search engines. So you should use the name which are the dictionary and is okay to type, you know, it's not mistyped or like double E for whatever. Okay, so Steve Hype. Now we will go over like how to find the niche store names, right? You are creating your brand, so you need a name for that, right? So just type the name, the category of your store. For example, if you are going to sell pens, so just type pen. Okay, then you can go down and look for the words related to pen. Okay, so let's take jot down. Oh god, this is so nice. So if you are basically selling a pen related product or something like dictionary or a planner or maybe a book, whatever, just to take notes and all those things, so you can use jot down. This is crazy name, jotdown.com. most probably it is not available, but see. Oh, okay, so jot down is not available, but you can use jot down in the business name maker to find some other combination that you can use on for your store. So let's see, jot down word, jot down bold, jot down feed, jot down ideas. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so we have found like jot down pro, and that sounds really nice. So let's try it. jotdownpro.com. Oh wow, so finally we have found a name that is very niched and also very specific. You can't lose the SEO optimization for your store when you use this kind of names. So this is quite simple, right? So guys, if you have other ideas for my next videos, drop it in the comment section and I will try to work on it as soon as possible. I am looking for your feedback to grow this channel and build a community. Okay guys, so as you can see that this is the easiest way to finalize and decide your next Shopify store name. I hope you like this video and it is helpful to you. If it is helpful to you, please consider liking this video and also subscribe to my channel for more content related to Shopify and Facebook ads and other money related stuff. So that's it for this video. I hope you have an amazing day. See you in the next one.
Maybe it's toxins and chemicals, thinking in general. I got a lot on my mind. Scared to be sober, cause when my heart over, I gotta reflect and don't like what I find. I had your back like a brother, said we had each other, but you was not there for me.